Getting your first credit card in the USA can be confusing. One wrong choice can hurt your credit, but the right card can build it fast. In this video, I'll show you the best credit cards in the USA for beginners in 2026, even if you have no credit history. In the USA, your credit score affects almost everything: renting an apartment, getting a car, or even insurance. And the easiest way to build credit is using the right beginner credit card. The right way. First, let's talk about Discover It Secured. This is one of the most beginner-friendly cards in America. You deposit money first, and that amount becomes your credit limit. There's no annual fee, cash back on daily spending, and it reports to all major credit bureaus, perfect for building credit safely. Next is the Capital One Platinum Secured card. What makes this card special is the low deposit requirement. Some users start with less than $200. It's simple, reliable, and designed purely to build credit. If you have zero credit history, the Chime Credit Builder is a smart option. There's no credit check, no interest, and no annual fee. You spend your own money, but your payment history still builds your credit. For international students or new immigrants, Solvay is one of the easiest cards to get. No U.S. credit history needed, no SSN required, and simple cashback. It's built specifically for people new to the USA. Before you apply, remember these rules. Always pay your bill on time. Use less than 30% of your credit limit, and never treat a credit card like free money. Good habits today create a strong credit score tomorrow. A credit card is a tool. Used wisely, it opens doors. Used wrongly, it creates problems. If you want more simple money guides like this, subscribe for the next video.